I'm gonna show you how we can prepare chicken strips. It's so crunchy and tender from inside. It's so delicious. I'm gonna show it to you how we can prepare it in an easy way. First, let's get started with the ingredients that we need. We need chicken breast, cut it like this, and we need breadcrumbs, about 1 cup or a bit more, and we need also 1 cup or a bit more flour, any kind of flour, and we need 3 eggs. For the spices, we need paprika, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and we need salt. So that's it. First, I'm going to mix. I'm going to add some spices to the flour. I'm gonna add paprika, onion powder, black pepper, garlic powder, some salt. Alright. Also, I'm going to add with the egg same spices. I'm gonna add salt. Alright. So let me mix the flour. Okay, and those separate, and I'm gonna mix the eggs. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take the chicken and then do it like so with the flour, and then dip it into the eggs, and then with the breadcrumbs, which is so easy. Look at this, beautiful. And then leave it separate here. Okay, so carry on doing the rest. Flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Oh wow. So let me do this off camera, and then we're going to fry them. See you after that. Okay guys, so after I prepare the chicken strips, here we go, they're ready to be fried, and here I have some as well. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fry some potato wedges. Here I have the potato, which I cut them into like this. I mean, they washed and clean. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some flour, and here I have salt, paprika, black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and also I have some oregano. I'm going to add these here, and I'm going to mix them. And I'm going to add them on the potato, like so. Oh wow. Okay, let me take the potato, mix them here. Okay, I'm gonna take the rest. Oh wow, we want some crispy potato. Perfect. Cool. Okay. Oh yeah. Potato is ready and chicken is ready. Let's get started to fry them. Okay guys, so here I just prepare the plate. and I'm going to leave it separate. Here I have the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to fry them, fry a little bit, and then the rest off camera. And here I have oil as well. I'm going to fry the potato. Cool. So one for the potato and one for the chicken. So in deep oil, I'm going to fry the chicken. Let's check it. Oh, oil is ready. In deep oil, start to put or fry the chicken. If you want, you can just brush the chicken in butter and bake it in the oven. I know that will be healthier, but we love this way. Sometimes I do this way and sometimes the other. I just bake them in the oven and they're crispy as well, but in oil it's completely different. So the chicken will take, to be cooked, will take between 3 to 5 minutes for the beginning, and then later they will take less time. So 3-4 minutes will be enough. And here I'm going to fry the potato, and woo, so hungry. Okay, so this is after 2 minutes. Turn them to the other side. So 2 more minutes and then the chicken will be ready. Alright, here we go. Chicken is ready. So 2 minutes on each side will be very good. Look at them, they look so crispy and they tender from inside. Look at that piece, it's a little bit big. So if you want, you can just make it thinner, and then that will take less time. You don't need to fry it like 4 minutes. So it depends if it's thick or thin. Alright, so I'm going to carry on doing the rest and fry the rest on high heat and see you after that. And oh, here we go, the oil is ready here, so I'm going to fry the potato as well and prepare everything. See you after that. Okay guys, so here I'm still frying the chicken. And the potato is ready. Look at the potato. It's crispy, crunchy. It looks so yummy. So I want to take them off and then carry on frying the rest potatoes. Oh wow, what a beautiful lunch. It's so easy to be prepared and great, especially for kids. Kids love, my children, they love this kind of food. It's healthy when you prepare it at home. Okay guys, so see you after that. Okay guys, here we go. I'm still frying the rest of the potato, but I'm going to present. This is how I'm going to present, like with lemon, lettuce, and you can make coleslaw if you like. I have a video how we can prepare coleslaw at home, so I'm going to present them like so. Here. Oh wow, look at them. They look so pretty cool and delicious. Woo-woo. Alright, let me take this and then add this one. Alright. Perfect. And here I fried the potatoes. I'm going to put them here. And look at this beautiful chicken strips with potato wedges at home. Now let me show you the inside of the chicken, how they looks like. So crispy from outside and tender from inside. They cooked well. Wow. Oh my goodness. Woo. Guys, I hope you like this recipe. I'm gonna list down in the description box how you can prepare this recipe with the ingredients. Please like the video, subscribe for more videos, and stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.